To subscribe to our channel, click the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell. So today we are making a very delicious and very comforting pumpkin soup, which is really nice during the cold weather. You can make it for children, you can make it for adults, you can also make it in a big batch and freeze it. But I always prefer to make it in small portions. So let's see what all do we need. So here I've taken kaddu or yellow pumpkin, which I have cut into small pieces because we have to completely cook it very well. So always try and make small pieces. I've taken half a medium onion which has been chopped finely, 1 teaspoon of ghee, and then we have some black pepper to taste. We have salt to taste, butter about a teaspoonful, but it's up to you, less or more. And then we have some uh, a teaspoon or two of fresh cream. You can also use the malai that we get at home. So I have done that. I have taken the fresh malai out of my out of the milk that I had boiled. So now let us see how we are going to make it. It is very easy. You can make it quickly whenever you have pumpkin at hand. So heat a pan and then in that we will add ghee. So once the ghee has melted, now we will add onions. So onions have been chopped very finely here. Don't put two big pieces of onion. So now saute it, and we are not going to brown these onion. As soon as they start turning a little pink and translucent, that is when we know that they are ready. So keep stirring them and let them cook a little. They also give a nice aroma. So we just make sure that you are not burning them or making them too brown, and that is when we add the pumpkin pieces. So now saute them nicely in the ghee, and if you want you can also add butter in place of ghee, but then butter has a tendency to burn, and ghee has a higher boiling point, so it doesn't burn. So if you're using butter, add a little bit of oil as well. Here I have added some salt. So a little bit of salt only I've added. At the end I will again adjust the seasoning. Put about half a cup of water. And we sauteed the pumpkin so that it takes a slight color, but not too much. And that's it. Now we will let it boil and cover it and let it cook for anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes so that the pumpkin becomes completely soft. It should be easily mashable with your spoon only. So as you can see, with the whisk only I can mash it. It's so easy. But since we are going to make a soup, we will blend this. So if you have a hand blender, you can do it right away, in this only. Otherwise, you can transfer this into a blender jar and blend it over a mixie. So easily I can mash it, as you can see. So here I have blended it and I have a very smooth, nice, comforting looking pumpkin soup ready. So we'll again heat it. We're not going to boil it too much. Bring it to heat and then adjust the seasoning. So some salt, pepper, and you don't really need too many things in this. This much is enough. A little bit of butter to bring that nice taste, and half the cream now, and half you can put on top while you're serving. So just mix everything well, bring it to heat so that it is ready to be served, and that's about it. It's ready. uh, if it is a little thick, you can add a little water, and in case you're adding water, then you have to bring it to boil so that everything gets mixed nicely. So now our soup is completely ready to be served. It has started bubbling up. Just close the heat and here you go. Serve it warm with a little bit of cream on top. I'm sure your children are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye bye.